Today I would like to show you how I attach a piece to a base because I don't see a lot of instructional videos or anything on this important step in the process. So please, if you like this video, share, subscribe, like, comment to help me grow my channel. As you can see, I have a wire armature inside this piece. She will stand at an angle, so it's a bit difficult, I think, to put it on like this. I would like to use a stapler, but as you can see, I wouldn't be able to get in there. So what I came up with, this idea, I'm just gonna twist this. I'm still able to twist it back a bit. Oh, but let's first see exactly where she's gonna stand. I will leave a bit more room here for the feet, bring it back a bit, and she's in the middle, I think. And let me just do this again. Twist the wire, trying to keep her in place, at least 1 foot, and just staple it. Okay, 1 more. And now the other one. Now I will bring her back. Oh, no, actually, let me just make sure it stays better. So I'm gonna use just a small hammer. Looks like these are not so good, not that tight, so I'm just gonna pull it out. One. Oops. Okay, and the other. Sometimes you encounter these difficulties, not sometimes, always. Things don't go your way all the time. Maybe I'll use another stapler, a stronger one. Let's see if this works better. 1 more here. Oh yeah, that's much better, I think. Oops, looks like I'm out. I'm out. I'll do another one for this. Okay, I think it's tight right now. All right, so it looks good. I can still adjust the pose a bit more, and then I will cover, of course, this whole area with paper mache, and that will make it even more, you know, it will make it stronger, and hopefully that will be enough.